Hello, I am Raghunandan Deshpande, mathematics teacher from Aged School, Buldana. Hello, dear students. Now, today's topic is again Algebra 10 Standard Financial Planning chapter with Practice Set 4.4. Now, this is one typical example. If we solve this example, we can understand many things how to calculate. So very important example, that's why in this video we are going to see this one example only. Now see, shares, MV means market value, brokerage, CGST, HGST, all this concept we studied already. So no need to explain the meaning of these words. Now understand that a person buy 100 shares. B means buy, and market value of share is 45 rupees. At the same time, later on he sold, S for selling, he sold 75 shares for 200 rupees each. Now let us calculate first of all value of these shares as per market value. Now we know to calculate value, 100 multiplied by 45, it gives 4500 rupees. Now for selling, 75 multiplied by 200, 75 2s are 150 and 20 over that, so 15,000 rupees. Now brokerage. Now the brokerage percentage is given as 0.2%. 0.2% of total value. So it will be 0.2 upon 100 multiplied by 4500. In this way 0 cut, 45 multiplied by 0.2, that is equal to 45 multiplied by 290 and 1 decimal point, so 9 rupees. So brokerage will be 9 rupees. Now for selling, 0.2 upon 100 multiplied by 15,000. Again 0 cut, 150 multiplied by 2. So 150 multiplied by 2 is 300. 300 and 0.2, that is 30 rupees. This is the brokerage calculated on this value. This value is share multiplied by market value. Now CGST, central GST, central goods and sale tax. Now CGST is always calculated on brokerage. CGST is always calculated on brokerage, and rate of CGST is 9%. Rate of HGST is 9%. So how it will be calculated? It will be calculated as 9% of 9. So 9%, this is the meaning of 9%. 9% of brokerage, that is 9. So 9 9s are 81. 81 upon 100, that is 0.81. Now this rate is same, so this is also 0.81. Now here 9% for selling, 9% of 30. 9% of 30 rupees, 9% of brokerage. 9 3s are 27, this is 270. So 270 upon 100, that is 2.70 rupees. 9 3s are 27, so this is 270. 270 upon 100, that means 2.70 rupees. So CGST is 2.70, HGST is 2.70. So in this way we calculated these two. Now understand this difference of buying and selling. For total value of buying, total value of buy, buying equal to this total value of share that person got 4500 plus brokerage 9 plus CGST 0.81 plus SGST 0.81, whatever may be the calculation. So that will be the total buying value you calculate here, 4500 plus 9 plus 0.81 plus 0.81 here. But total value of selling equal to 15,000 minus, try to understand the difference here. For buying you have to add, here you have to add all this, but here you have to subtract the addition of all these, 30 plus 2.70 plus 2.70. So whatever is 15,000 minus whatever is the addition, that you have to subtract from 15,000. That is your homework, today's homework, that to calculate this addition. How to calculate this addition, because there are decimal numbers, how to write one below another and calculate this addition. This is your homework, and to add this in bracket and subtract from 15,000, this is your homework. That will be total value here. Try to understand how we calculated. Very important. Practice set 4.4. First problem, 100 shares buy for market value 45, whatever may be face value. So 45 multiplied by 100, that will be the value of shares, 100 shares, and selling 75 multiplied by 200, this will be selling value. Brokerage 0.2% of 4500, so 0.2% of 4500, that calculated as 9 rupees. CGST 9% of brokerage, so 9% of 9, so 81 upon 100, 0.81. SGST same. In the similar way this is calculated. Now value for total value for buyer is this value plus all these expenses, all these are expenses, and for selling his total value 15,000 minus all these expenses, because for selling that will be loss, for selling that will be his loss. So in this way we have studied financial problem, financial planning practice set 4.4. First problem, very important problem, because here you study how to calculate this value, how to calculate brokerage, how to calculate CGST, SGST, and how to calculate total value. So you can get certain marks in SSC on this example itself. Good luck, goodbye, and try other examples of this exercise.